Yupo paper! So today we're talking Yupo paper. Will it work for fluid art? And the answer is yes. Did a couple different styles. Hey all you fine folks, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is America of America's Abstracts. If you're new here, hi! I like to create fluid art as a way to cope with my various chronic illnesses. So as a result of that, I have a new video twice a week on Thursdays and Sundays. So for today's video, I wanted to do an experiment, and it will also be a little mini creation videos at the end. I wanted to experiment on different substrates. A substrate is something that you can produce something on, paint on, all the same. Typically I'll use anywhere from canvases, I'll use tiles, wood, just various things like that. But today I wanted to experiment with Yupo paper. Yupo paper is a tree-free, bright white and stain-proof that allows artists to create shapes, patterns, and nuances that are impossible to achieve on conventional papers. Non-absorbent and slick, a revelation for artisans. And this was the Yupo Heavy. I got it at my local art store, Gomez Art Supply, here in Lincoln, Nebraska. If you guys didn't know, I live in the Midwest. I'll want to move, but I have to like take one thing at a time. So, Yupo paper. Wanted to see if things worked. I think it was really cool that they did. So, I did two different variables on this. The first one, I taped it off, and so this actually does have nice clean lines. The other one I did not tape off. I wanted to see the difference. This one started to dry quicker and dried more consistently than this one did. Kind of lost some of my cells there. Yeah, you can see the kind of the definition. And then with that, also, so I did a swipe and a bloom, and I really like how both of those turned out. As you can see, freaking thin. I'm going to be able to put some nice varnish on it. I'm thinking satin so it doesn't go too shiny, because this is a little ridiculous to not be able to see everything. Or I might go high gloss varnish, but either way these will be able to go into picture frames, so I just think it's so cool. Again with the swipe, these were also testing, those were colors that were in my new pouring medium that I'm using with the Behr 8300 and the Josania's Gloss Varnish, 2:1 ratio. I'm surprised at how well it worked. Now, I feel like this will have to cure for like over a month because it is on absorbing paper, so it just kind of stays at the bottom. But yeah, that's one thing I'm gonna definitely branch off into. I really like that I can do something this thin and then I don't have to resin top coat everything I own. Yes, I do love resin top coating, but sometimes it's a little bit expensive. Comment down below which of the two is your favorite. Do you like the wrecked bloom? Do you like the swipe on the Yupo paper? Also comment down below if you've tried Yupo paper yet. What did you like or not like about it? That's what I want to know. to leave you today with just some words of encouragement. If you guys have been struggling at any point, financially, mentally, just know you're not alone. We'll all get through this. Just gotta keep on keeping on, alright? Make good choices, and I will see you all next time. Bye!